We've all gotten the fry or tot that seems to have hogged the entire shaker of salt, sending you grasping for the nearest liquid relief, only to be left hungry with uneaten product and brain freeze from gulping all of your drink. Dispense the correct amount of salt with Accu-Salt from Sonoco.
Nothing makes your French fries or other fried products taste better than the proper amount of salt. Up to this point, there was no way to control the exact amount of salt dispensed during the food prep process. Now, this problem is a thing of the past. You can take control with the Accu-Salt Salt Shaker. The Accu-Salt will make every one of your crew a salt dispensing expert. The Accu-Salt will only let you apply the right amount of salt the first time and every time. All you have to do is turn the Accu-Salt over the fries or fried product, and it will dispense the same amount of salt each use, making for a tasty and consistently seasoned product. It will reload automatically when you set it down after use. As an added bonus, it is also designed to disperse the salt in a perfect pattern so your product is salted evenly and quickly. Let's start by loading the Accu-Salt. First, remove the cover and fill the internal cup with salt. Then, screw the cover on tight and set the shaker down. It is now ready to use. To use, simply hold the Accu-Salt shaker 4 to 8 inches above the items to be salted and invert it. The salt pattern will dispense evenly and stop automatically once the preset dosage has been dispensed. Cleaning and maintenance is easy with no moving parts to wear out or replace. The Accu-Salt simply needs to be dismantled, washed, and dried thoroughly. We recommend hand washing with a mild detergent and leaving in the dish drain overnight to air dry. Be sure to dry it completely since salt absorbs moisture and can start to clog if it becomes damp. The Accu-Salt is available in a variety of exact dosages from 2 grams to 6.5 grams and can be switched to a new dosage by simply changing one piece. Reassembly merely takes seconds. The Accu-Salt holds 60 to 80 shots of salt, depending on the type of salt and selected dispensing level. The Accu-Salt Salt Shaker will make every one of your crew a salt dispensing expert.